Before I go to Zera Shimshon, I want to ask you a few questions. We not learning Halakhot every day. The biggest nachat ruach for Nifteret is to learn Halakhot. When you learn Halakhot that you do daily, that is the biggest thing for Neshama. You like these questions? A baker, when he makes dough, he wants to put bread into the tanir, into the oven, but he doesn't want the bread to glue to his hands. So therefore he has to make a little bit wet. So he has big chashka, and he's making his hand a little bit wet, takes the bread and puts inside the tanir. Now you have no water to make netilat yedayim. Can you use that water for netilat yedayim or no? Huh?
Why not?
It's used water, no? So the halakha says this is not called used water, and originally is not doing any use, it's just water using the top part, just not to have glued to his hands, is not called used water. Next question. You have a big pot. You don't know if that pot has hole or no. Seems like there is hole, but you don't know. The only way you'll know when you put water inside. If it's dripping, there's a hole. If it's not dripping, there's no hole. So now you see there's no hole. Can you use that water to wash hands, or it's considered used water and you cannot wash hands? What's the halakha? The answer is you are allowed to use this water to wash your hands. You have bucket of water. Shh. Guys, you with me? You have bucket of water. Now you want to put cold wine so it should stay cold. You know, you put a bucket, you take a barrel of wine inside the bucket, and you want to see, you want it that it shouldn't get hot, it should stay cold. Can you use that water for netilat yedayim?
Yes.
The answer is yes. In this case, yes.
What is the water?
What if you took a big bucket of water and you put over there 2 fish, so fish shouldn't die? Can you use that water for netilat yedayim? The answer is yes. Why? Because you're not using any water. You just put the fish there, the fish shouldn't die.
Rabbi, if you have no access to any water,
Yeah.
you do this, you told us earlier, but do you say baracha yadayim before you eat bread?
One more time, what?
No water, I have no access to water.
Yeah.
You told us, you wash you could do this with your hand, right?
Yeah.
Then but do you say baracha?
No.
No, okay, so yes.
The word netilah has many meanings. Meaning number 1, washing.
Washing, right.
Meaning number 2, raising up.
That's why you said
You did not raise up your hands. You didn't wash your hands. So how gonna make bracha al netilat yadayim? And also, in the place where there is no water, Rabbi Aaron, person should use napkin to cover the bread.
and don't touch with the bread.
Exactly. Yeah. It's all b'diavad cases. L'chatchil, the person should stop and wash hands. By the way, if person wants to become rich, go out of your way, find the water, wash your hands, make hamotzi.
Yes.
When you make hamotzi, al netilat yadayim, ayin nun yud stands for ani, poor. When person makes netilat yadayim, he will never become poor in his life, and he's gonna have a long life.
А если человека кушать хлеб без этого, без руки мыть,
He's losing parnasa. Losing parnasa. Yes. Okay. Now, next question. You have cold water. Guys, you with me?
Yes.
You have cold water and wine is hot. You want to put bottle of wine inside the cold water to make it cold. Can you wash hands with that water? The answer is no.
Oh?
If it's warm water, warm wine, not to become hot, water doesn't do anything.
Not to spoil.
But when you have, not to spoil, you don't want it to become hot, warmer. So you want it to be cool. But if it's cold water and wine is not cold, you're putting there to make it cold. Now you're using the word, it's called used water, not allowed. A person doesn't listen to anybody, buys a dog. Dog comes and drinks water from the cup. Can you use the rest water
No.
to wash your hands? What if person had cup of water and the chazir came and started drinking a little bit?
Same thing.
Okay, what about cat? Mullah Aaron,
Yes, sir.
you wanted to wash hands. Cat came and started drinking a little bit.
Same
I
thing.
don't know.
Huh?
I don't know about the cat.
Only dog
Only dog
and
is
chazir are dirty animals that you're not allowed. The rest, all the others, even sheep comes to drink, you're allowed to drink. You're allowed to wash hands, no problem.
Cats are fine. From the dog and no, but you're allowed to use it. Not to drink yourself.
Mullah Roshel, Shalom Aleichem. Tell me, if I touch my socks
Wash your hands.
or inside my leg, where it's covered, what if I have two hands and I only touched one? With the second hand, I want to eat fruits. I'm allowed or no?
Well, wait, I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Let's wash.
One is dirty, one is not. Can we eat with the fruit together with the clean hand? Say what?
I touched with my left hand
Yeah. My socks or shoe.
my sock, my shoe, whatever. I put whatever it sweats. Usually, I put my hand inside and itching.
Okay.
Second hand is clean. Can I eat fruits with my second hand?
Yes.
I don't see why not, but maybe there's not allowed. I don't know. This hand doesn't touch the other one.
One body, no?
One
You know,
body.
halakha is when you stick one hand into the bathroom. When you
You
wash
gotta
your
wash
hands,
both hands.
you gotta wash both of them. So make up your mind. Why here both and here only one? It's the
These
same
are
thing,
also
no?
dirty places.
So halakha is when you eat fruits, you're allowed to be lenient. Only wash one hand. Let's say your both hands are dirty. You want to eat only with this hand. You're allowed to wash only one hand and eat fruits, even though your second hand you're still going to be itching your leg.
Okay.
So it's no problem. If you made netilat yedayim, you shouldn't speak. But if you spoke, should you make bracha again or no?
No.
The answer is no. Guys, question to you. Halakha lemaaseh. I have a dog or chickens or sheep or cow. I made netilat yadayim. Then I made bracha motzi lechem min haaretz. Now before I want to eat bread, I said to myself, eat. Give animal food.
Yes.
And then I'm eating bread. Should I make a bracha again or no?
No, and you're allowed to eat, you're allowed to say that because animals come first.
Oh. Halakha is you're not allowed to taste nothing until you give animal food. So once you made bracha, your bracha was not allowed to do it. So when you said it's like tzorech bracha, it's for the bracha and therefore you don't need to repeat the bracha again. One more question and then we will go to Zera Shimshon. Friday night, I'm making Kiddush. Listen to this question, guys. This stuff we deal with every day. Friday night, I'm making Kiddush. What I say, Saudi Maranam Bore Pri,
Again.
Agafen. Second bracha, Mekadesh Shabbat. I say Mekadesh Shabbat. Everybody yotze with me, right? I didn't even drink and say, to my friend.
Drink it, nobody has to say.
So I made hefsek.
Hefsek.
You have kavanah on me. Is considered you also made hefsek or no?
No.
If it's considered you made hefsek, also you have to make a separate bracha or a bragefen. But if you with me, I made hefsek, but you didn't make hefsek. You're allowed to drink. What should you do? Are you allowed to drink, or should you make a bracha or a bragefen again?
You're allowed to
Drink. Drink.
You're allowed to drink.
The halacha is you're allowed to drink. Why? Because you were yotze with him. He made hefsek, but you didn't make
Is he
hefsek.
Yotze with Kiddush?
Huh?
Since you said that he said hi before he even drank, are the people around him Yotze for the Kiddush or no? Because he didn't drink it yet.
Yes. They're yotze for the kiddush.
But isn't it only Yotze when the guy who said it drinks a certain amount? So when he didn't drink it yet and he spoke. So how is
Stop.
it Yotze?
You telling me everybody yotze after he drinks revi'it?
That's what I learned. That's what I saw in the story.
Even though he didn't drink revi'it, another person drank revi'it. Still you yotze, even before the
one person
revi'it.
has to drink a revi'it, whoever it is, whoever the person might have been, he didn't drink it yet. So how is it possible that he fulfilled the mitzvah? Or I mean, the people fulfilled the mitzvah?
Grab the bottle and drink it. Grab from
Okay.
the cup and drink it.
Okay.
But he spoke. Whatever.
He spoke, but you didn't.
You guys, I mean,
Man, he has it for you.
We are all considered to be in one pot. Or him, or him, or him, or him, or him, or somebody has to drink revi'it, 86 grams.
Yes.
If he didn't, another person did. You yotze with that person. Or everybody drank 10%, tenth of revi'it, and we all 10 people drank. Now we yotze. We all are combined in this. So therefore, if by accident he spoke, b'diavad, you got the mitzvah. B'diavad, you also got your mitzvah. With this, I want to conclude, and I want to go with you too. By the way, we finished all together the first Sefer Halakhot Olam. From tomorrow we'll be learning second Sefer. This way, if you remember, every Sunday we send 2-3 minute Halakhot. It's from here. Baruch Hashem finished, so tomorrow we'll start new Sefer Halakhot Olam Ben.